So hello guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about top MBA colleges in district Wardha, Chandrapur and Gondia. Guys, ये सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट के टॉप MBA कॉलेजेस के बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एंड ऑल द कॉलेजेस विच वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस वीडियो दे एक्सेप्ट MBA CET स्कोर. ओके, अगर आप इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट में रहते हैं और इन सारे कॉलेजेस में एडमिशन लेना है सो यू नीड टू महाराष्ट्र MBA CET एग्जामिनेशन एंड उसके बाद ही आपको ये सारे कॉलेजेस में एडमिशन मिलेंगे. सो गाइज, इफ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर फॉर महाराष्ट्र MBA CET देन वी हैव लॉन्च द बैचेस. So in this batches you will get live classroom coachings are also there. You will get books, ebook facilities are there, shortcut trick, doubt classes, recorded videos are there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made, 10,000 plus questions are there for the practice purpose and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now, call on 8828581455 or you can also visit to our website manvaredu.com/MBA entrance. Okay, now guys, let us see one by one top MBA colleges in district Wardha, Chandrapur and Gondia. So very first is GES Department of Management Technology, NMD PG College of Arts, Commerce, Law and Management, Gondia. Okay, ये गोंदिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट में it was established in 1994 and total seat is 60 seats and courses they offer is MBA in Financial Management, MBA in Marketing, Human Resource Management, Business Analytics, International Business, Operation Management, Entrepreneurship Development. So all these courses this particular college offer. And if I talk about placements, so this college also provide placement. Companies like International Infotech, Bluemax Capital, DDS Academy, NFTI Gondia Limited. Okay, all these companies are visit to the institute and they recruit the MBA students. And if I talk about NAC grading, so this particular college is B graded college, NAC की B grading है and this college is also AICTE approved इंस्टीट्यूट, दैट इज़ ऑल इंडिया काउंसिल ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन. गाइस, गोंदिया में ये एक सबसे अच्छा कॉलेज है जहाँ से आप MBA परस्यू कर सकते हो. नाउ next is Bapurao Deshmukh College of Engineering, Sevagram, Wardha district. It was established in 1983 and they have total 60 seats. It is affiliated to Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj Nagpur University and it is a NAC B plus graded institute. It is also a very good college for pursuing MBA in district Wardha. Okay, now next is Ranibai Agnihotri Institute of Computer Information Technology, Wardha. Okay, it was established in 2001 and they have total 60 seats and it is a unaided non-minority institute. This means non-minority means what? ये जो इंस्टीट्यूट है ये कोई भी भाषा के आधार पर, कोई भी धर्म के आधार पे रिजर्वेशन नहीं देता है. सो इट्स अ नॉन माइनॉरिटी इंस्टीट्यूट. They also offer, along with MBA, they offer PGDM program, that is post graduation diploma in management. So these courses are also there in this institute. Okay, now next is Krushi Jeevan Vikas Pratishthan, Ballapur Institute of Technology, Chandrapur district. It was established in 2009 and they also have 120 seat. It is affiliated to Gondwana University, Gadchiroli. Okay, and it is also a AICTE approved institute. Okay, now this college is also an unaided college. This college is also providing placement to MBA students. Now next is Sarvodaya Shikshan Mandal, Saulina Kishore Mamidwar Institute of Management Studies and Research, Chandrapur district. It was established in 1988 and they have total 180 seats for MBA. And this particular institute, it is also affiliated to Gondwana University. And if I talk about grading, so it is NAC B plus graded institute. Okay, 40 plus companies visit to this institute such as WCL, IBBI, ICCI and many more companies are there. Banking companies are, Asian Paint is also there. So this is also a very good institute to pursue MBA from Chandrapur district. Okay, now guys, next institute is Renaissance Institute of Management Studies, Datala New, Chandrapur. Okay, it was established in 2010 and they also have 180 seats. And if I talk about courses, they offer MBA in Marketing, HR, Finance, Banking and Finance, Information and Technology Management. And this college is also AICTE approved. This is also affiliated to Gondwana University and placement is also there in this college. Guys, जो भी colleges गोंदिया और चंद्रपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है, दे आर अफिलिएटेड टू Gondwana University. So all the degree will be awarded from Gondwana University, and जो भी college वर्धा district में है, you will get degree from Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj Nagpur University. Okay, so this is all about the top MBA colleges in district Wardha, Chandrapur as well as Gondia. ओके, सो आई होप आपको ये सारी जानकारी समझ में आई रहेगी. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर फॉर MBA CET एंट्रेंस, सो यू कैन जॉइन अवर ऑनलाइन एंड लाइव क्लासेस. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. You can also visit to our website manhoradio.com. Okay, you can also follow us on social media handles for exam updates and notification. New YouTube channel we have launched, which is very specific for MBA entrance, so do subscribe to this channel. And all the online program link, sectional program link, we have given it to the description, so do check the description. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.